Oh, hey!
Let's go, Cecil! This is nice right there. Cecil.
Uh-oh. What are these for, bro?
You need those to turn on the car. I don't know why. I'm gonna put the Granny Gramps on here. Oh yeah.
Let's get going.
I bought this car for $900.
Here, let me help you illuminate.
And it came complete with a performance chip. Engine tuning device. The braking is sketcy, boys. Where's the grass section? I'll just go right over it. That sounds good to me.
Break this thing in.
Yeah. There's no mirror on this side. And then you come on over to this side. And the mirror, you can't, there's only like, possibly like 2 inches of visibility on that mirror. This is an M50 motor, which came in some E36s and these E34s. It's got an eBay strut brace, what appears to be
sticker on
horrible eBay headers.
Yeah, those are not so good.
They are coated and then rusty. Someone must have hit this. Jesus. That'll stay. Die.
Bro, this thing's rusted already. This is coming right off.
Bro, I don't know if this muff is gonna make a huge difference.
I have a feeling it probably will, and it'll be a good difference though.
You know what though? It's hot.
No.
I think there's an issue.
God!
My bumper! Oh, I cracked it! No, Cecil!
Oh, there was a hairline crack there now.
Get the fuck!
No!
No! Cecil!
Oh my God!
What happened? My God!
Bro, we got some remains.
We'll take that.
No, I have,
How can this be happening?
No.
Just give it some right there.
Oh! Ow! Ow! That hit me right in the foot. Noah got the muffler off of the E34. Cecil did sustain some damage, as you can see here.
That's a good sign. Yo, that's a nice one.
That's not too bad.
Actually, I actually like it.
I think we should do a launch.
Oh yeah, get the thing pinned.
Is it good?
Yeah, whatever you're ready.
Okay,
Yeah.
this car. My new car, Cecil.
Yeah.
95 525i.
Oxford Green.
Oxford Green. Does fucking amazing burnouts. I love it. Once we fix some of the iffy suspension components, aka all of the bushings in the rear section, it'll corner pretty well, I'd reckon.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
Nick?
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Bye. Have a good day.
Oh.
Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe, comment,
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
And smash that notifications button.
B, if it had the stock suspension.
I got it.
I think the clip came off is what happened. Maybe a Carter kick will help.